Okay, let's jump in and draw Knuckles and Sonic and that scene from the movie where they slide down the hill, you know, from their snowboarding. Well, that's it. Let's keep doing. What I want you to do is I want you to stick around all the way to the very end. This is for beginners, okay? So let's hop right in, step by step for beginners. Let's jump in. Right here, I'm going to go over here to Knuckles' eye area, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull down like so. By the way, you don't have to follow along with me as well. You can just watch me, and you can learn a lot just by watching as well, all right? Pulling up. Curve. Down for Knuckles' eye. Down over here. Curve around the corner here. So he has one eye right there. Curve up. Over here. Curve up. Line down. Line down here. Curve up. Okay. Let's go over here to the nose area. And I'm going to go over here and draw a curve. Down. Curve underneath. Line out. And fill that in. He's got a bit of a pointed nose, you know. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve out. Curve over here. Curve on the side. And curve that around right there so you got that bottom portion of his face. He's gonna be making a little bit of a disgruntled face, so I'm gonna draw a line here. Curve up. Down. Curve underneath. And up. Line over here. And line over here. It's going to show kind of the gritting of that teeth, right? Where he's like, yeah, you know? Curve over here for one eye. Curve on the other side. Kind of looks like he's cross-eyed, but it's kind of looking out in that direction. So I'm going to kind of fill this in a little bit more with a thicker line to kind of even that out. Line over here, dot. Line over here. Line. Line, but I'm going to throw a little zigzag into the line because this is the movie version, remember? Line out. Line over here. I'm moving that light a little bit. And now what I'm going to do here is his hand is out. So right here I'm going to zigzag out. Then I'm going to zigzag up a bit. Curve. Line over here. Line down. I'm going to go over here to the underside of the arm over here. Line underneath. Zigzag over here. Up. Up. And his hand's going to be up here like you just smacked him. Curve. Curve around here. And then this spike's going to come out the side over here. Out. Hopefully this can go off the page. Oh, that is going off the page. All right. Down. Curve around back. Curve. Up. Down. Line. Line here. Line over here for the wrist. Let's go over here to this side. Well, not quite yet. Gonna go over here. A line over here for the stomach area. Zigzag over here. Line underneath. Line over here. And I'm curving, I'm throwing these zigzags here, right? When I'm going down the body in order to just kind of make that more believable. And his legs are really short, I noticed. So curve down here to the side. Line over here down for the kind of the ankle. Down over here the feet. Straight across. Down over here, curve. And the board itself, you're barely gonna see it. It's just gonna be, it almost looks like the bottom of the shoe there. But I'm gonna go over that a little bit. Line over here for the other shoe. Out over here on this side, curve. Up, in. All right. Down over here, down the front. He's like sideways. We have his foot coming out the back here. Cross, down, cross. Down. Over here, line, line. Line over here on the shoe. Let's go over here to the most important part, which is on top of his head. So over here, I'm gonna throw a kind of zigzag on that side. On over here. And out over here this way. Alright. Gonna go out here this side. Up over here, and out right there. All right, cool. You don't really see his other hand, to be honest. His hand's kind of like back behind there, so it's pretty good. Let's go over here, and we're gonna draw Sonic now, and then we're gonna kind of meld them together, and I'll show you how that is. All right, let's go over Sonic here. He's gonna be kind of leaning back here and kind of hurt, right? Hurt-ish. So let's see if we can move this over. Yeah, this just should work. So he's gonna have his face kind of over here, I would say. Like curve right there. Curve right there for the side of his mouth. Line kind of up right here. He's got kind of like a wine cork nose a little bit. Circle at the end of it, and I'm gonna fill that entire thing in. Curve over here, and curve underneath the mouth there. Line here, just like a side mouth there. Curve, but I'm not gonna close it all the way, and curve down. Curve over here, and curve down. Line right here for the closed eye. Line right here for the closed eye. Okay, now side of his head. Kind of the zigzags, remember, this is a movie version. Out over here on this side for the one ear. Down. Got a little bit of fuzz here at the top of his head. Out over here. Right on. So inner ear now. Inner ear here. And let's go over. So his hand's gonna be kind of flailing, right? So we're gonna go over here and draw this one first. down, 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 down. He's got a flail in his hand, and maybe we can curve over here for the back, and you can draw the wristband right there. Let's go over for the stomach area first before we continue all this other stuff. Remember, keep watching. Like I said, when you watch, you do kind of actually learn as well. And I'm gonna go over here and zigzag over here on this side, zigzag on this side, close the mouth on this side, and we could curve the line here for kind of the back of the hand there, line right here for the side of the face, and a line over here for the shoulder. Alright, before I put his spikes on, I'm going to draw maybe a line out over here, over here, line up, curve, and his hand is kind of hidden behind Knuckles' hand. Curve around here. I'm gonna go over here to the snowboard. Up, down, this could be his knee. Zigzag over here. Zigzag around the corner here. And over here, zigzag over here his other leg. And zigzag down. Zigzag over here. And he is being hit there. Zigzag line down here. And I would say his board is over here, kind of covering up his shoes for the most part because it's angled up. Curve down, out over here. Thin line over here on the corner, down. Right on. And let's go over here for the spikes, okay? So spikes, I'm gonna have him kind of leaning this way. You know, it's gonna make him look a little bit more discombobulated here. It's gonna look like he's flying that way. I guess we could put a couple back here as well. And then we're gonna do the color change on the stomach. Excuse me. And now we have that. We want to draw the snow back here. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and just kind of draw snow here, snow here, right there, and then I'm gonna draw the mountains over here. Line out and line out, kind of like they're kind of going through that deep portion of the mountain. And you could even draw mountains in the back just a little bit over here, like just simple mountains, because wasn't really kind of the area, but you could kind of draw that to make it a little bit more convincing. And that's pretty much it. If you like this, share it. If you remember this part from the movie, let me know, and I'm gonna do more parts from the movie. You just gotta request them, okay? I will talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon, and we will all hang out. Thank you so much. Like I said, the channel's growing. I want you to please share the video anywhere, Reddit, Twitter. Thank you so much. Stick around.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.